Struggling to conceive? What you eat matters. As your midwife-led team, we're starting a special fertility kitchen series to help you nourish your baby dreams. Today, a power-packed breakfast smoothie for both partners.
Welcome to NutriMom and Baby, where we turn kitchen science into fertility power. Today's recipe, a supercharged smoothie to nourish your baby dreams. Spinach. Folate for DNA repair in eggs and sperm, ASRM guidelines. Frozen banana. Potassium for blood flow to reproductive organs, NIH 2023. Walnuts. Asterisk omega-3s boost sperm motility by 18%, Harvard study. Chia seeds. Fiber balances blood sugar, key for PCOS. Almond milk. Vitamin E protects cells from oxidative damage. Pro tip: freeze bananas in chunks for extra creaminess. This makes 2 servings, perfect for sharing with your partner. Pour 1 cup almond milk into blender. Use our homemade recipe, link in description, to avoid additives. Why this work? Combats oxidative stress, Fertility and Sterility Journal. Supports hormone balance, nutrition reviews. Enjoy this 3 to 4 times weekly as part of a fertility diet. Next time on Fertility Kitchen, our tropical mango banana smoothie that men love. Hit subscribe so you don't miss episode .2.